Have you ever wondered why some AI systems give super accurate answers while others feel completely wrong or irrelevant? The answer is not just the model, it is a retrieval strategy behind it. In this video, you are going to learn how modern AI systems actually find the right information from huge amount of data using different retrieval strategies in RAG systems. And by end of this video, you will clearly understand how AI finds the most relevant data, why some systems gives better answers than others, and how techniques like self-query, multi-query, MMR, and other actually work in a real systems. After watching this, you will not just use rack systems, you will actually understand how they work behind the scenes. So let's get started. Retrieval is one of the most important parts of any rack system. It decides what information the AI sees before generating an answer. If the retriever is good, answers are accurate and useful. If retriever is bad, even the best model gives poor results. Let's understand each retrieval method one by one. First is self-query retriever. So the self-query retriever is a system that understands both your question and the hidden meaning inside it. When you ask a question in natural language, the system finds first convert it into a structured query. The structured query includes filters like topic, time, or conditions. Then it uses this structured format to search the database. For example, if you ask, show me AI research papers after 2022 in healthcare, the system understands topic is AI and healthcare, time filter is after 22. Then it applies these filters while searching, so it is not just matching words, it is understanding what you actually want. Second is multi-query retrieval. This multi-query retrieval retrieves improves search by creating multiple versions of the same question. A large model retrieves and rewrites the user query in different ways. Each version is used to retrieve documents separately. Then all the results are combined together. For example, if the question is what are the benefits of rack systems, it may also generate advantages of retrieval-augmented generation, why RAG is useful for AI, use cases of RAG systems. Each query retrieves different documents. Finally, everything is merged into one result set. This improves most coverage and reduces missing information. Third, maximum marginal relevance, MMR. This MMR is used to avoid repetition in search results. It selects document based one two things: relevance to the query, difference from already selected results. So it balances relevance and diversity. For example, if you search AI in education, instead of repeating the same idea, it shows different angles like AI tutoring system, AI in classroom, AI in grading, personalized learning. So results become more useful and less repetitive. Fourth is similarity search. Similarity search is one of the most basic retrieval method. It converts text into embeddings, which are numerical representation of meaning. Then it compares the distance between query and documents. The closest match are returned. This means it does not depend on exact word but on meaning. For example, car repair tips can match vehicle maintenance guide because both have similar meaning. This is the foundation of vector database in modern AI systems. Fifth is contextual compression. Contextual compression is used when documents are too long. It first retrieves full documents, then it removes unnecessary parts and keeps only relevant sections. This makes the input smaller and more focused. For example, instead of sending a full document, it only sends the important paragraphs related to the question. This improves speed and most accuracy. And sixth is parent document retrieval. This method solves the problem of losing context in small chunks. Documents are splitted into small chunks for retrieval, but each chunk is linked to a large original document called the parent document. When a chunk is retrieved, the system can also fetch the full document. So you get accurate small chunk matching, full context from original document. This is very useful when full meaning matters here. Seventh is time-weighted retrieval. Time-weighted retrieval gives importance to freshness. Newer documents are given higher priority. Frequently accessed documents are also boosted. Older documents get lower priority. This is useful for news, stock market data, trending topics, real-time information. So user always get updated results. Let's quickly revise. Self-query understands filters inside questions. Multi-query expands one question into many. MMR removes repetition. Similarity search finds meaning based on matches. Contextual compression removes noise. Parent document retrieves keep full context. Time weighted retrieval keeps results fresh. So that's a complete breakdown of the most important retrieval strategies in RAG systems. Now you know how AI systems don't just randomly answer questions. They actually search, filter, rank, and refine information before responding. We covered how self-query improves structured understanding, multi-query increases coverage, MMR removes repetition, similarity search finds meaning, contextual compression cleans the data, parents document preserves context, time-weighted retrieval keeps results fresh. If you understand this, you already have a strong foundation in how modern AI search system works. Because at the end of the day, better retrieval means better AI performance. If you found this helpful, stay tuned for the next video where we build a real-world RAG pipeline step by step. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.